saying? Come on!
Ifeanyi is not dead.
Then where is he? Are you the one keeping him?
Yes.
Hey.
I don't understand it. Why? Why? Why do you have someone else's son? Why? What's the plan? You plan to use him for ritual sacrifice?
Adese.
What? What do you mean by Adese? You know this man. This man is capable of anything you can ever think of evil. Not when you lie a lot. You lie and do nothing but lie. The lies in your mouth can kill millions of fishes in the ocean. And you know him.
He is still my husband. Stop calling him names.
Jesus, please.
Your Majesty, the more this lingers, the more you create war amongst us, which is bad. You have to do something. At least release him. Release that young man.
I put Ifeanyi away to enable Adese find another man and marry.
Your Majesty, that is kidnapping. How can you do a thing like... I never knew you like this. How can you kidnap him? Oh my God, this is serious.
Wait a minute. Kidnapping? You kidnapped him. This man is the kidnapper. D.Y. is a kidnapper! You kidnapped him? Be fine. I'll tell the police. I don't...
Is it true that Ifeanyi, Adese's photo is dead?
What? Who told you that?
It was Ego that told me yesterday evening.
Ego, how do you know about what you just said now?
It was my brother that told me that yesterday when the princess came back, she was rolling on the ground.
Hey!
When she heard the news, so...
Ego, are you sure of what you're saying?
Yes! And that the king killed... Hey! I'm not sure.
My dear, I don't believe this. How can Igwe kill his own son?
Wait, I don't understand. What do you mean his own son? You people are getting me confused.
Hey, my dear. It was this same Ego that told me that Ifeanyi is the Igwe's son. And that was the reason why he refused him to marry Adese.
Ego, are you sure?
My ears are on the ground. So whatsoever that is going on in the palace, I have it all.
Am I no more in this village?
He asked how.
Ego, how come you're the only one that hears almost all the news before another person in this village?
Oh, because my brother works at the palace. Chikom.
Hey!
Chimo!
Please, people should leave me out of this. Oh, I don't want to get myself into trouble. Please.
Which people? Only you have here. So do what else?
Please don't put me into this, I beg. Hey! How would you know? I beg. Wait for me now. Where are you going?
Igwe, you're my confidant in this village.
Yeah, that one is not even in contention.
Darkness is trying to overwhelm my daylight.
But why are you talking like this? What is it?
It is no longer news that my daughter was kidnapped.
Is it kidnapped or missing? Which one are we to believe?
Missing. I know where she is.
You're trying to tell me that you know of your daughter's whereabouts?
I know her, doctor.
Then tell him to release her so that we'll have our peace. What for? Did she trespass on their land?
Because I'm holding the son of the woman.
What? What did you just say?
I said that I am holding Ifeanyi, the son of Ibrahim again.
Hey, God. So oh, darkness has descended upon our town. My eyes have seen my ears. No. Let me pretend I did not hear you well. I mean, it is too early in the day to crack such joke. No.
It's a long story. I'm sure you are all aware of what my family and I have been passing through in the hands of Igwe women. His son, Ifeanyi, insisted that he must marry my daughter, the princess. Of course, that would never be. I would never allow that. So in order to keep the princess's eyes off somehow, I had to take Ifeanyi into custody. Unfortunately, Igwe Mpume replied and kidnapped my daughter, the princess.
God forbid. This is an abomination. How could this could be doing this?
That's exactly why I had to call all of us, so that we put heads together and find a way out.
Igwe, you should have told all this when it was starting. Not now that it has gone to a war level.
I am not a coward. I wanted to do this my way.
Iwe, Lichi, what we should be talking about now is solution. Finding solution. Igwe made a vow, and I stand by him. Thank God he did not allow them to get married. And I still insist that we should not allow them. Period. He came back. Our princess is in their custody already. And we want her back.
Our princess is in their custody. And their prince is in our custody. Too, like just like Igwe said. I think it's 50-50. After all, we have the biggest stake in the deal.
Yes. So, what do we do?
Igwe, whatever they do to our princess, we will do to their princess.
Of course.
So you mean we fold our arms until we hear the news of our princess' death?
She's not the first person to die. We have lost many souls because of this enmity. If she dies, we shall kill their prince too. You lie.
Hey.
You lie.
Adese must be released. And all of you right here must make sure that she comes back to me. She's all I have. Nobody steps out of this place.
Yeah?
Until Adese comes back.
Else, all of us will die here.
But it has not got to that. It has not got to
Don't even try. Don't even try. Don't dare come near me. Don't try
Ifo Salomo akube achara mema Ifo mena nagebe achara mema.
My dear one, please, I beg you in the name of all our gods, do not burn my clothes, and do not burn my crown. If you do, particularly this crown, then you know you've dethroned me. You still stand here talking. I thought you have something of importance talking. Where is Adese? Where is my daughter? All right. I'll produce Adese. How about that? When? Before tomorrow.
You bring that before tomorrow?
Yes. I don't trust you. I do not trust you one bit. I will burn this place. My dear wife, I have given the word, the king, my word. I will bring her back tomorrow. Let me tell you what will happen if you do not bring Adese tomorrow. I will burn this entire palace. I will burn everything. Everything.
So you won't take my clothes in, eh? Where is that guard?
Go to Noah's house. Ask him to see me. Also, enter Ikemba's house. Tell him I want to see him too.
Yes, Your Highness. But Your Highness, what if they refuse to come with me?
No, they will not refuse. But if they hesitate, assure them that there is nothing to fear.
Okay, Your Highness.
Go to Noah's house first. From there, Ono will follow you to Ikemba's house. And you will convince him to come. Okay? Better that way.
Yes, Your Highness.
How are you? Chuma, wait. Chuma. I heard there is a big war in the palace. Please, Ngozi,
enough of all this palace talk. Biko, let us face what is facing us.
Nemo, what else is facing us in this village? Other than the disappearance of the princess. She just disappeared.
So we, the young girls in this village, we have to gather ourselves together and fight this war. Don't you think so?
My sister, you have a good heart, oh. But if you should ask me, I will say, let's leave our Igwe to finish the Igwe of Akuke. What do you think?
What else did they say?
I heard from Ego that Igwe Mpume sent a message to see our Igwe. And I also heard from Ego, you know Ego now, the authentic information carrier in this village. Radio without battery #1. My dear, she told me that their Igwe kidnapped our princess.
Are you sure what you're
And our own Igwe in return kidnapped their own prince.
Ngozi, are you sure what you're saying? Because it's quite complicated from what I heard.
Ijoma, take my own. Forget theirs. Have you forgotten that Ego's brother works in the palace?
Whatever. My own is that I am gradually gathering all the village girls for a meeting, which to be held in due time.
Is you? Okay, oh, if you say so. Up on this village, we'll be waiting now to see where all these things will end. Okay, Nekodi, oh, my mom is waiting for me. Okay, dear. Bye-bye. Omali Chango.
This village.
What are we going to say?
We'll tell him that we did not meet him at home. That's all. That we are asked to call an elder does not mean you go and carry him.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
No.
Igwe.
Ikemba.
Igwe.
Are we making a mistake?
What kind of mistake?
How can it be said that Igwe Duma the First is going to be in captive in Akukwe village?
Igwe, I actually thought of it. We could have gone with some guards for protection.
That's right. So, what do we do?
Turn back? No. We'll proceed. Remember you said you don't want anyone to know about this mission except myself and Ikemba. Igwe is a man of his words. He does not spit on the floor and go back to lick his spit on. It's not possible. So let's proceed.
Ikemba.
Igwe, I think he is right. Let's proceed. Igwe, you have the heart of a lion.
What happened?
I never knew we'll embark on a journey like this.
A lion does not attack its human prey at first sight. Let us go and know what Igwe Oduma has in stock for us. Since he refused to honor my invitation, let us go. Let's go. Where is the hawk going with his chicks? Igwe Oduma, I sent you an invitation, which you ignored. I then decided to come to the mountain because it is obvious that the mountain does not move from its place.
I have no words for a wicked, heartless, ruthless king who has killed his fellow men out of greed and envy. I also sent you word which you chose to ignore. Now, go into your palace to make a demand.
Two of a kind. Ignorance versus ignorance. We're heading to each other's palaces. And here we are, meeting on the road. I am all ears to your demand.
Otherwise,
Igwe Oduma, I am not a king with many words. I have until this evening to see my son. I have until this evening to see my son. Akuke Kingdom has until this evening to see its future Igwe. Ow! Igwe Oduma! Ow!
other when we should be living together. War is not the answer if we sit and talk it over. Everything will be okay when we live as one. We need peace in our hearts. We need peace in our land. Let there be peace. Let the fighting cease. We need peace in our hearts. We need peace in our land. Let there be peace. Let the fighting cease.
It was not an easy fight. Even is not a man who can do it. I heard he has decided to forget his son. And he's planning to give us a war at his own time.
Now that Prince Ifeanyi has been released, what will happen? When are we expecting him to back in?
Just keep our fingers crossed. I don't think Adaeze is still alive. Right?
But the gods won't allow that to happen. What will Lord do? Seeing her as the only child?
It was beyond our will. If he had told me, this crisis wouldn't have gotten to this extent. Confused.
But you said the two people agreed to release each other's child.
Is this said and done? Has Prince Ifeanyi not been released? What is still keeping Adaeze? He tricked us. He tricked us into releasing his son. And he is still holding Adaeze, our princess. He's not a man. You will rub his one palm and he will allow you to do stuff.
Thank God. Ijoma, why are you shouting? There's good news. What happened? Igwe Mpume and our own Igwe did trade by barter. And Adaeze is back home. What are you saying? Adaeze is back home. Oh. My own Adaeze? Yes, so. But I heard she was stubborn from her stay. Let me go and change so that we can quickly go and see her. You know I can't go with you. What do you mean you can't go with me? Because of what happened the other day. You should try and understand. No problem. Even if you don't want to go, let me go. It's okay. Bye-bye. Okay, bye.
we are done with them already. And I heard that our princess Adaeze has been released also. So what do we still need from them? Give us a choice.
Allow Igwe to finish what he said.
Igwe has finished. We just simply asked a question. If we are going to have a rethink on the decision we reached earlier over Akuke people, simple. Igwe, if you may ask my opinion, I would suggest we maintain the status quo ante. Let them be, and let us be. We will not cross over to Akuke. Akuke people will not cross over to Okwe. Simple.
Oh no, onye mutana awisi. It might be name.
Do you think that would be better?
Better. It is better. Even if you ask me in my dream, I will tell you it is better.
I don't think so. No. Oh no. Change is the only permanent thing in this life. Igwe, I think we should have a peace talk with them. Everybody here would bear witness to the fact that the princess, our daughter, has known no peace ever since Efine indicated interest in Naija. And we all know how our Igwe has been fighting like a wounded lion. But thanks be to the gods, Adaeze would have been dead by now. So what are we talking?
Oh yeah, who told you that?
Are you in any way suggesting that Efine and Adaeze get married?
Thanks be to the gods for this man. That is exactly the point I am making. Igwe, what I am
saying. Shut up your mouth if you don't know what to say.
Are you asking me to shut up? You don't want you to calm down. That is what calm down? Yes. How many times have you visited this palace?
Tell me for how long now have you visited this palace? Oh no, whose son here is nowhere to be found as we speak right now. Just because of the same marriage issue. Yes. Oh no, did not allow him to marry Mazi Dikeh's daughter from Akuke. And now the boy has absconded. So why should we allow our princess Adaeze to marry from Akuke? Tell me why. I quite disagree with that.
Igwe, Udeye is insulting me and you have not said anything.
He is not insulting you.
Oh, that is what you have to say. No problem. No problem. Igwe, I am still saying, and I'm still maintaining that we should critically look into this matter with a view to reviewing it. That is the only way these two communities would ever have peace. Otherwise, yes, that is what I'm saying.
I have a question to ask. And the Igwe may be in a better position to answer me. No, go ahead. Igwe, did you in any way in agreement with Igwe over this peace negotiation? Or are you initiating it yourself?
The issue of peace or dialogue with the Igwe women is not called for. So, I did not.
So let us allow things to be the way they were.
Igwe, if I may ask, what is your opinion on this matter? Because we all differ in our opinions.
Very important. So, this is my opinion. This is an issue that had earlier on been decided by this house. The law. I'm telling you here and now that after listening to everybody, in fact, we do not have enough reasons to review our standard. So as far as this meeting is concerned, there is something to do. And that is where the king stands.
Yes, I can hear you. Yeah, I'm in bed already. Sure, I'll come down to Enugu and from there we'll take off. When are you leaving the village? Okay. Please call me before you leave so I can move too. But of course, I have to hear from you before I can move. Yeah. I love you. Good night.
Who took my phone and my traveling document from my room? Who took it? I said, which one of you crept into my room and made away with my cell phone and my traveling document? Who did it? God damn it, people! I said, who took my phone? Hey! Don't do that. Henceforth, I prefer to be addressed as Adaeze. That is my name. Save me the princessy title.
Adaeze, Your Majesty, did you perchance take her phone and her traveling documents?
What do you suppose I would be doing inside her room?
Adaeze, did you search your room properly? You searched it very well.
Mother, I did. I searched my room very, very well.
Are you sure you saw your phone after you came
at
a quick place?
I kept my traveling documents in my traveling box in my room. And my cell phone I made a call with last night before I slept. So where is it? Who has it?
Strange.
Yes, strange.
By the way, my daughter, what were you really planning to do with those travel documents?
Huh. I'm not in a court session now, am I? My property is my property. And I want it back! And I don't want to ask for it a second time. What's wrong with you people? You guys just have been like crazy with me. It's my property. I deserve to have it with me. What's going on, friends?
1 week, 1 trouble. Okay,
Salomo akube achara mema ifo mena nageme achara mema onye mbuno bia sobu amolo amago mala nka mekwara ozeme achara mema ifo Salomo akube achara mema ifo mena nageme achara mema onye mbuno bia sobu amolo amago mala nka mekwara ozeme achara mema jiri wayo ikwadeze achara mema ifane kubo menana achara mema.
What is wrong with that business? It will not go through. Why should she switch off her phone despite our arrangement? What do I do now? I can't go to her house, or I can travel without her. Oh my God. What kind of obstacle is this?
I called you all outside for us to discuss actors and sought a solution towards Abuja. And also the cabinet members for not thinking of peaceful talk with Dikeh.
Exactly.
Since our so-called boys have turned themselves into let us now do the supposed work.
Wow.
True talk, my sister. Who can talk to you? Some of us are not even in this meeting. We are not married. And no one is asking whether we are displayed or whether we are selling. In this village, has more girls than boys. Yes. And the men still sit down, fold their hands, without doing nothing. What if there is war outbreak? What are we going to do? Who will fight?
I thank you so much for this gathering. In fact, I like this thing that you did. But what about the other girls? Uju is not here. Ukiru is not here. Caroline is not here. Even Modesta is not here. Their presence here matters a lot. How am I sure they are not against this gathering? Yes.
Whatever.
Yes. And number 2. Do you think if the king and his cabinet will be happy to hear that you're planning a demonstration against them? What do you think will happen to you or your family? All I want is peace talk. My brother village Dikeh. What if they are planning to say that you're trying to overthrow the king? What will you do? It will be so hot for you, my sister. Yes. If you feel you're not happy, and make the party leave us. Don't turn back. Don't turn back. At the visor. No. Let's us now look for solution. What is the next plan? Yes. What are we doing?
Hey, wait.
What is that? So you don't have respect anymore. Look at the way you're calling my father's name. I know. So you don't have respect. How dare you call my father like that? How dare you? I came to see Naomi.
I want to stay in Nayono.
For what? I have a complaint for him. Tell me, what is it? Not for you. I am sorry. So my mouth shut up.
Then if it's not for me, you have to leave this compound right now.
Yes! My father traveled to Abuja and he will not be back till next month. So get out. Hey! Travel. You deaf? Because ever since I was born in this village, I have never heard your father visited Enugu. Not to talk of Abuja, my sister.
You're not getting them.
Get out of this compound. So you want my father's house and talk to me anyhow?
Hey! What is going on?
This stupid girl doesn't have respect. She came here and was calling, oh no. Come back and go get married with yours. Take out your hair.
What is the matter? Young girl, what is the matter?
I have an urgent message for you.
What's the message?
Is it not Ijoma?
What about Ijoma?
Ijoma went round the village, gathered all the girls. She was telling them how wicked the Igwe is and his cabinet members, including you, Ono. Hey, Ono, I think she's planning on how to capture all the cabinet members and dethrone the Igwe. Hey!
Ijoma of yesterday. Is it not the Ijoma that the father fell from Patri?
Yes, sir. Ono.
Tell her that she can't do it. Impossible.
Yes, she cannot do it. But Ono, I heard she's planning it with Igwe Mpumi. I think she serves as his messenger.
It's not possible. Leave me the Sabbath with this
Ono, I'm leaving now. I just came to deliver this message.
Manza, the tiny bird, after a heavy meal, challenges God to personal combat.
please help me. Lolo, please help me. Igwe, please, I didn't do anything, Igwe. Igwe, it's a lie. Igwe, I didn't plan anything with Agwege people. Please save me, Igwe, please. Lolo, save me.
Take her into the palace. Give her 60 strokes of the cane.
Yes, Igwe, please. Igwe, please.
Are you sure this is true?
Lolo, go. Oh, please help me.
Good day.
Good afternoon, sir.
My name is Ephraim. I understand you're from this village.
Yes, sir.
Oh, please, I need your help. I want you to help me deliver a message to Adeze, the princess.
Okay.
I am Ephraim from Akoke village. I have been trying to call her number, but her number is not going.
Oh. Okay, so you are the Ephraim you talked about. The one who wants to marry. Please, my dear, don't be offended though, okay, Viko? You're Winagi. But please, I don't want to talk to you.
Oh, please,
Please, I said I don't want to talk to you. Viko, Nanuya, if anyone should see me talking to you right now, I will be in a very big trouble. Please, I beg you in the name of God, don't follow me again. Don't even talk to me, okay, Nidi? If I need indeed, because fear.
This is an abomination. Seeing Igwe's crown on the throne. No. What's that? What's that? Who put this in here? Who put my crown here? Oh no. This crown here means that I am dead. It means that I no longer want to sit here. No, I'm alive. Oh no, I'm not dead. Oh no, I haven't told anybody that I'm tired of sitting on this throne. Who did this? It is an abomination to see the king's crown on his throne while the king is still alive. And this crown can only be removed with one cow. Else, it goes to another family. This is an abomination.
Oh no. Please. Go get some elders. Let's sit down and discuss this. Immediately.
He will die. Ow.
Your Highness, you mean we cannot remove this crown ourselves?
No!
You don't do it. We can't do it. Nobody can. Until all the rites, all the rituals are performed. You heard the rule. Let me tell you. What has happened now is far, far deeper than you can imagine. This crown here signifies one thing. That this throne, this stool is now vacant. No! Vacant as a result of death. Mbano of the occupant. Vacant as a result of the occupant of this stool deciding that he no longer wants to continue occupying the stool. Nenum, am I dead? Nenum, I haven't told anybody that I do not wish to continue to be on this stool. My enemies are this. My enemies have undone me. My enemies are at it. Oh. Hey! Hey! Ewe!
Okay. Let's see.
Hey! Hey!
Elvis!
I'd like to have a meeting with my cabinet members.
Ngozi, what have I done this time? What is it?
Good. So you went and told Igwe that Ijoma gathered the village girls to dethrone him with the help of Igwe and Umi.
I don't understand.
Hey!
What kind of allegation is this? How am I the one?
Hey! Igwe, you are a very wicked fellow. You are a gossip. You are not serious.
So how am I a gossip? Just because I passed information to the king concerning what is happening in this village. Now you guys are calling me a gossip.
If you don't know, the authentic information reaching us said that you, Ego, framed Ijoma up.
Authentic information? From
yes.
which source?
From the palace.
Yay. Okay, let me ask you a question. Did Ijoma gather you guys for a meeting concerning the king and his cabinet? True or false?
Oh, you're asking me?
Yes.
Were you not at the meeting? Eh? Did you hear Ijoma say anything concerning dethroning the Igwe or getting any message from Igwe Mbume?
Actually, I left before the end of the meeting. So how would I know what you guys said after that?
You left. Okay, for Onuga. Africa will put you to trouble one day. And you to your stupid mouth will put you to trouble. Ego, you touched my mouth. I touched you. How dare you? Let's get. Come on, leave now. Come on, leave it. Come on, leave Ego. Come on, guys. Stop. It's okay. It's okay. No, everything is okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
No. I am in big trouble. Look at me. Look at where I am. Oh, look at your ego. In pant. You bring.
So the trouble in your house has gotten to the extent of you going naked.
I woke up this morning to put on my clothes. No, I could not find even one. All my clothes gone. My regalia gone. Oh no, even my crown. If I did not wear this pants to bed, no.
Our abomination. Was it not 2 days ago that we cleansed the one that was already committed? And now another one has come on top of it. Hey!
I called you here for a solution. To find a solution. Should I relinquish that throne?
I'm not for being serious. I'm saying it again. I think we'll look for alternative solution to this problem. Have you asked members of your family to know if they know about the whereabouts of these missing items?
How many people know where my clothes are? How many people have the right to access my clothes? Two. My wife. She didn't do it. I've asked my daughter. That one that is completely unconcerned about issues. That one that keeps her head up there and never looks down. That one that talks anyhow.
So this is not showing any emotions. Then she must be the person with it. Ask her.
I have threatened my daughter. I have cajoled her. I've coerced her. What have I not done? That girl has remained adamant. That girl has remained unyielding. No, that girl is a hook here. I can't swallow it. I can't even bring it out.
Your daughter is like a fly that perched on a string. If you decide to kill it, you will bust this country. If you leave it, she will be there sucking blood. And you will be dying silently. There is no point trying to explain me. Let me go. And get you some of my regalia. Because it will be a nice shop if people meet you here again. I got the moon. You work a moon. I got the moon.
I can see you want to die for no just cause.
Kinda need to be left alone.
Well, you want to be left alone to die, thinking.
It's none of your business.
My son, it is my business.
It is not good to see you die thinking. See. There is a faster, a quicker way to die. Take it. It is poison. It is better you die drinking this than to marry that stupid girl called Adeze. Take it. Drink it.
So Dad, you are this wicked. Dad, you want me to drink poison and die?
Drink it. It will help you to die very, very fast.
Ifo solumu akube achara mema. Ifo mena nageme achara mema. Onye mbulu bi asobo mono.
Udae na kai binudo. Doti banga wanemo udoti mumma udena kai beri nudo odinobi
Adeze, the gods have heard you. The spirits bears you witness. And the living, they all testify your undying love for Ifeanyi.
Mom, did I commit an offense by returning from the States after my studies to see you people? Did I commit a crime by showing you people the man after my heart?
You did not do anything wrong. Adeze, I did not say so. You didn't do anything wrong.
Then why?
Why? Why put me in this action? You did this.
I was the one that summoned this meeting. I could have allowed it to hold in my house, but that would not be. It's only myself here and the Ikemba that are not members of the royal family. But by reason of association, we have become royals. The problem that resulted in this crisis started from the day Ifeanyi was introduced as a suitor to our princess here. It is not the fault of Ibom Ume, but the way the people of Abuke have been treating us for the past 50 years. That was why we all agreed to fight and regain our freedom. And that was why we stopped marrying their own children and they stopped marrying our own. We stopped working their own farmland and they will not cross our own farmland. What was the outcome? death, punishment, all this and all that. Please, my people, I want you to know that it is the same hand that created the pension. That same hand created eraser. So let us find a place in our hearts for forgiveness. Let us find a way to resolve this crisis amicably. Because trouble is an ill wind that blows no one, no good. It deters progress, development, and so on and so forth.
Igwe, the ball is now in your court. We all know you to be a brave man and a man of your word. Let us not throw the baby with the bathwater. Lola, what do you have to say in this matter?
Now you know. Thank you very much. Whosoever that brings peace to someone's home will also see peace in his own house.
So,
we too have spoken well. Actually, I was not there when the law was made. You people knows it all. And I can assure you that whatever you decide to do will be accepted as far as the face of and that family is concerned.
Good talk. Concerning the issue of missing phone and travel documents, which resulted in the disappearance of Igwe's regalia and the crown.
Oh no. That has been disturbing my mind since I heard it. I've been thinking. And I think this is between the daughter and the father. Which man in his right senses will enter the Igwe's palace just to steal phone and travel documents?
Impossible.
Or to steal the Igwe's regalia and crown?
It's never done.
What would the person do with it? Igwe, this is your daughter. Adeze, this is your father. There is no baby amongst us. We are all adults. Let's find a way forward.
Igwe.
You all know me. I am your Igwe. And you know that I'm a man that leads by example. We also know that we do not look at any face before we enact laws. The law is not a respect of persons.
Oh, to a God, you will.
Once more, I thank you. I'm grateful to you for finding time to come in here. I want to suggest now that we all go back to our respective homes and meditate over all that has transpired here. So that we avoid any unpleasantness.
Igwe. Before I go, I want to appeal that you do something about it. And at this, I want to also appeal to you that you have everything. Igwe.
Oh no!
Igwe. Look at that. Money to me. At this.
That is why I decided to come at night when most rooms are going to bed.
So what exactly do you want to do for you?
Now, from what I gather, I understand that you know of this and the right hand man. I know very well that please do it. Talk to me about this.
How can I do it? How can I do it? I am not the way that will give his daughter's hand to your marriage.
No, I know. But I know you can convince him for him to have a peaceful dialogue with my people back in the village. After that, we can talk about marriage.
Marriage. Why must you die on her days? Don't you have other beautiful girls in your village?
I know. I know there are so many beautiful girls out there, but I love my days so much, and I will do anything to have her.
Have you discussed with your father about this?
I had a discussion with my father, and he's ready for settlement.
Then let him take the first step. Let him come to win. Talk down. I can see the is tired and they want settlement.
Joma, wait for me now, please now. Joma, wait for me now, please now. I should stop. Yes. Tell me why I should stop for you. In fact, I don't even know why I'm even talking to you, self. I'm sorry for everything. Please, you're sorry. Will your sorry bring back the beating they gave me at Igwe's palace? Ego, you went and lied against me. Because of you, I was given 65 strokes of cane. What more do you want from me, Ego? What do you want from me?
See, I promise it will never happen again.
Oh yes, it won't happen again at all. Because Ijoma, I will not give you the chance for it to happen the second time.
Remember what the Bible says. Forgive your neighbor as yourself.
Yes, the same Bible tells us that. Instead of any of your finger to lead you into hell, you better cut it off. Okay?
As for me, Ijoma, you have a good heart too. Even the king is not as hardened as you are. My sister, you have a good heart.
Ego, the king is himself. I, Ijoma, I am myself.
I heard they are begging the king of Akuke. Not only that, I heard Prince Ifeanyi is frequenting to seek after people who will help him in the reconciliation of the war between the two villages. Hey, my sister, have you heard?
I can see you are very stupid. You're somewhere around.
Wait for me now. Hey, Joma, wait for me now. Let's continue our gist now.
Nine. I called you here to discuss some important issues. I would have loved to come to your house, but I don't want people to see like I'm looking for something.
Oh, true, my friends. That's true.
You know, there have been war between our village and Ope village. And as my father's second in command, what do you think?
My prince, it's unfortunate that you've been waiting for a long time. You see, this issue between us and local village, war, has been on for a long time, even before your father. We all grew up to know about it.
In your own opinion, do you want it to continue?
There's no one who doesn't want peace. We all want peace. But, well, if the ego of Okoye and his people want a settlement, then we'll give you the consultation.
So he didn't come. What happened?
My prince, that question is better answered by the way.
Please, I want you to help me. Because my plea to my father has fallen on deaf ears. I want you to use your position to talk to him so that peace will reign between both villages.
I doubt if the will of him open. I said that, but I'll do my best.
Thank you. Oh, then don't worry yourself, okay? I'll handle that. Yes.
Is that all right, please?
Oh, yes. Thank you very much.
Thank God. So finally, peace will soon return to our community. Hi! I'm so excited.
But my thing's still missing. This family will continue to experience war.
I am talking about peace between Akuke and our community. I heard that peace talk is being exchanged between the two communities.
Good luck to them on that one. With my father as their king, that man is very stubborn. Stubborn to the core.
I know why you're saying this. Don't worry. Very soon, yourself and your Ifeanyi will unite together again.
Let me correct you. I am no longer interested in marrying Ifeanyi. Right now, all I want to do is return to the States where I came from.
Adeze, you're not the one saying this. How can you possibly say this? Where are all those love you've been prophesying about Ifeanyi? And I want you to know that this reconciliation that is about to happen now is because of you.
I will walk out on you if you don't change the topic right now.
But why? I mean, why now? Why? Have I said anything wrong? Well, let me say you need to favor you.
If also, Your Majesty, take a good look at yourself. Look at what you are doing to yourself. You've reduced yourself so low that you now tie my wrapper and sit in your palace. It is not good. It is not good at all. If you have our daughter's phone and traveling documents, kindly return it to her so that your clothes will be returned. Inano?
Well, soon I'm going to place order for a new wardrobe, because I know that my clothes, they would have been burnt by now.
By who?
It's like burning clothes has become
the order of the day in my palace. First, it was you. Now, it's your daughter. How am I even sure you didn't plan it all?
Me? How can I do a thing like that? Seize all your clothes? What the person? What is you?
Ifo Salomo akube achara mema. Ifo menana geme achara mema. Onye mbuno bia sobu amolo amago mala. Nka mekwara ozeme achara mema. Ifo Salomo akube achara mema. Ifo menana geme achara mema.
Your Highness.
What is the message?
Your Highness, someone came to see you.
Tell the person to wait, that I am busy. Who is the person?
Your Highness, it's Ichi Ogweji.
Ichi Ogweji?
Yes, sir.
But you ought to have known that I welcome him anytime he comes to the palace. Bring him straight to my bedroom. I will receive him here, quickly.
Okay, Your Highness.
Your Royal Highness! You will one of Akupe Kingdom. Oh, the fearless lion that even humans and mortals, they reverence and they fear. Your Highness, oh, I bow in reverence to you. Your Highness. Your Highness.
The mouthpiece of His Highness.
Oh, Your Highness.
You are welcome.
Thank you, Your Highness. Thank you, Your Highness. Your Highness, this one you are in your bedroom. I hope all is well. Your Highness.
I am going through some documents sent to me by the State Council of Traditional Rulers.
Oh, I see.
The Crown Prince, our son, has filed a suit against our village and that of the Oko people. And I'm going through the documents to make my defense.
Your Highness, I am here in respect of that.
Oh. So you know about this and you refuse to discuss it with me?
No, not exactly, Your Highness. The situation is that, Your Highness, I want to bring this to you here so that you can take a second look at the situation between us and Oko people. This war between us is tearing everybody apart, our children, and if we're not careful, it will affect our children yet unborn. Your Highness, please think about it.
Is that what you think?
Your Highness, I just said I should bring it to your ears. Please.
Ogweji.
Your Highness.
Know it that I, Igwe Nkume, I will not, I repeat, I will not condescend to go and sue peace with the people of Oko Kingdom. If the people of Oko Kingdom want peace, then their Igwe and the entire cabinet must come here and beg. That is the right and proper thing to do.
when we should be living together. War is not the
Adesa.
if we sit and talk it over. Everything will be okay when we live as one.
Here.
We need peace in our hearts. We need peace in our land.
Adesa, I want you to always see me as your father. A father who is loving, who is caring, a father who takes decisions about our family from the point of view of a real father. My dear, I may have taken one or two decisions affecting you. One or two decisions you may have found not very, very comfortable with. But I'm here to assure you that I did those things to protect you, to protect this kingdom, and above all, my dear, to protect my life. The issue with Abuke is a problem. And it's a case that goes deeper than you really understand. I had to make a declaration. I even swore an oath. And so, as it were, I am sitting on a keg of gunpowder, which could explode on my face any day. So, my dear, I want you to come down, simmer down. Please.
Adese, you hurt your father. He loves you so much, and he wants the best for you. I want you to forget Ifeanyi and move on with your life. Ifeanyi is not the only man in this world. He is not the only man standing. Oh, Biko.
I'm no longer interested in Ifeanyi.
Really?
Please don't. Both of you. Leave. I want to be left alone.
Yes, my brother. Go.
It's okay. But you have to wipe your tears. You don't need to cry. Okay?
Yes.
We need peace in our hearts. We need peace in our land. Let there be peace. Let the fighting cease. We need peace in our hearts. We need peace in our land. Let there be peace. Let the fighting cease.
Me, Igwe Mpume, small boy like you, want to drag me to the mud. It's not possible. It is not possible.
Dad, I'm not even starting.
So, what else can you do? No, just tell me. What else can you do? You have dragged me before the State Council of Elders and Traditional Rulers, and son, nothing came out of it. So tell me, what else can you do?
Reconciliation.
reconciliation Dad. That is all I want. Days are gone when fighting war was the order of the day. Dad, tell me, what will you gain if you kill your fellow human being? You should be talking of development. Yes, development. Dad, I want peace between Akuke village and Okwe village. Peace and understanding.
Nice one. Smart kid. So, you can marry a Daisy, right?
Far from that. Far from that, Dad. I have long time forgotten about Daisy. After all, she's not the only girl in this world. All I want is peace between both villages.
You mean you have really forgotten about a Daisy?
That's what I just said.
Oh. Really?
That's right.
Sit, my son. Sit down, let's talk this over. Son, let's begin to make peace. You know, son, you will take over from me the throne of Akuke when I am no more. So let's start making peace here. Don't they say that charity begins at home?
Why do we fight each other when we should be living together?
Yes. Now that the peaceful dialogue is going between Akuke and our village, you have to send for our son Chidi to come back home and take over his proposed wife.
I wonder who is feeding you with those rumors.
Which rumor?
There is nothing like peaceful dialogue at all. Igwe and our own Igwe have sworn never to see each other.
How?
Igwe will not come to our palace. And our own Igwe will never cross the boundaries of our Abuke for any reconciliation.
How come it's all over the village that the both villages have almost reached to the final stage of reconciliation?
Well, we've had the right information from the right person. Is there another thing you want to say? Because I want to go and rest.
Yes, I have heard you. We have to start making plans for us when we come back. Because I know that one day, peace will surely come.
Do you know where he is?
No, I don't.
He is missing.
No. His disappearance is not disturbing you as it is disturbing me. Why?
I didn't say he is dead. He is missing. Someone who is missing definitely will be found one day.
You should start doing something for him to come back.
Do something. Do something. Go and do something so that you come back.
fight each other when we should be living together. War is not the answer if we sit and talk it over. Everything will be okay when we live as one. We need peace in our hearts. We need peace in our land. Let there be peace. Let the fighting cease. We need peace in our hearts. Peace in our land. Let there be peace.
I welcome all of you to my palace today. Today is special. Today is remarkable. Today is remarkable for many reasons. I am going to mention just a few. Today, particularly, I'm happy. We in this kingdom, we are happy that our erstwhile rivals, our erstwhile enemies are in this kingdom today. So today marks the end of hostility between my kingdom and the Akukwe community. Again today, I am giving away in marriage my own daughter, a daughter of this kingdom, away in marriage to the royal kingdom of Akukwe community. I never knew that a day like this would ever come when I will sit to host my friend over there, Ezemkume of Akukwe kingdom. Ezemkume, Ekenangio, we're already in law. Danya Gobago, yeah? Today is not a day for long speeches. Today is a day for merriment. Today is a day to wine. Today is a day to dine.
Today is a day of joy, a day we shall dance and eat and be happy. We are going to invite my daughter, the princess of Ogwe Kingdom, to come out here, pick up the drink, and show us a hot crop. Adam, today is your day. This glass of drink is not for your father. Oh no, don't even go there. This glass of drink is for that man you have chosen. Search round for him. Will you search here? Will you search there? Check out there. If that man is there, give him this. And both of you come back. Go on. I don't get what
Everything
Yeah.
Let